Hey Stefan, this is Channing Craze here. I'm going to be going ahead and looking at your website here and letting you know some information that I think you could approve on and what looks good. So when I open it up here, this looks really good already. I do like the visual part of the room, and I do like how it says on the top here, professional media production services. Valley, PA. That's really cool. I'm in Los Angeles, but I'm actually from Maryland, so I know exactly where Valley, PA is. But anyways, so I like that you have all the social media pages right here that you can click on, and when you click on it, I do like how it goes here to your actual Facebook page, which is really cool. Um, and that's sort of like what I did with my website as well. Anyways, I do believe here that this is like a login. You can create an account. I think that's very cool as well. It's always nice to have when you're setting up a website, like this for film or production or whatever whatever the or media production like you were doing. I think it's very cool that everyone can create their own account and they can go in and have their own information on here. I think that's really cool, man. I do like that there's a cart here as well, and that there's a search bar just in case someone can't find exactly what they want. Um, Over here on the menu, I like how it pops up onto the side like this. That's really cool. I kind of wish I would have done that with mine. I don't know where you major, if you majors on Wix or whatever. I know I did on mine. I kind of just did the basic version. Had to pay for it a little bit, but so mine pops up on Wix. I'm trying to get rid of that. But anyways, I like how there's a service thing right here, and there's only two services that you have: videography and photography, which is really cool. The About Us is always important, and I like how you got a really nice, clean, professional page right here. Um, and I like how it's about our history. I love that wording. Um, and I do like your little bio right here, which is really cool. It's a really good picture, by the way. Um, Also, down here on the bottom, I think this is like on every page here. It looks like you're saying you can use Google Pay, MasterCard, Visa, Apple Pay, which is always convenient for someone like me at least. And then you can contact us. That's really cool. And then you just go back up here, and then I like how you can just click on your emblem right here, and it'll take you right back to the main page. I think that's really cool, man. Um, the news. Now, I didn't do a news thing on here. My company kind of just started, so we don't have a lot of news really going on. But this seems really, really cool. I do like how there's have you like you have all different types of categories right here, stuff like that. What I would have done is I do like the white page, but I know for some people, a white page is boring to them. Personally, I like it, but just for future maybe maybe give it a little bit different of a coloring a little bit here. Let's see here. So I'm gonna go ahead and click back down to the I love that feature again always. So this is kind of like I feel like this gives you kind of like a about us type thing as well. Or it's more about the company. It says full coverage media group form by Stefan in 2018 after operating under the Moncur Stay Heavy Studios. Not too sure what that was. Go ahead and click on it real quick. So this must have been a different company that you did work for. Perhaps I'm assuming this is really cool. I like that you have the link here as well. Um, Also, it says here, working across the East Coast, producing content such as weddings, engagement, and all that small businesses, event photography, documentary interviewing, film production, film and TV media production, slow motion and 4K footage, editing and special effects, and basically anything else. Basically anything else, I don't, for me personally, I wouldn't put this here. Just for me, it seems just a little unprofessional. Everything else looks fantastic. It's just little things here that sometimes when we're creating our website, we get so excited. I'm sure there's things on mine that is a little probably not so professional. I know my wording could be a little bit better. But this right here could probably confuse some people. Photography. I don't know if you took this, but if you did, wow. High quality raw or fully edited images for any project or event. So that's really cool. That I like how you can give them a raw version or you can fully edit it for them. So I'm assuming that when someone comes and uses your services, they want you to just take the photography, or they just want you to take the photos, and then they can take it themselves and edit the way they want, or you're able to do it on your own. I think that's really cool. Visit our. I'm going to go ahead and click on the service pages. Again, it's, very white, and some people just like that. I would add a little bit of coloring in the background. Maybe not too much heavy coloring, but still keep the white in. But just add like a little bit of shade of something towards it. Photography, the perfect image can make all the difference. So that's really cool. Focusing on the important stuff while we focus on the images. This is whoever this is really, you did really good on these photographies, man. They're really really good. But I do like that because it shows your work. It shows the type of photography that you are able to do. And that's always something from a consumer that they want to see the actual work that you can do before they hire you. So that's really, really good. I'm going to go back to the main page here, go down again. So this is so cool how you got the photography section, right there. And then you can go to the videography section, and the budget is temporary. Film is eternal. Let us handle the legwork. I'm sorry. Let us handle the legwork and watch your dream come to life. So that's really cool. So it seems like people can give you an idea for a story, and then you go ahead and you make it into what they image, the image that they want it to be. So that's really cool. That's what it's all about, being a cinematographer, being a director, and just being a photographer. So I like how there's you have multiple videos of your work on here, man. This is really really cool. I did look at this before I started this, and I really enjoyed this video right here that you did. Just very very professional. It was really well written, well filmed, well edited. Very good, man. So other than that, man, I would definitely give you I would definitely give you like a really good rating on this website. It's entertaining. There's photos that people can look at. I would maybe add a couple more photos. It seems like you have more videography than you do photography on there, which videography may be more of your thing. I know it's mine for sure. So in the future, people might want your photography as well because the photography looks amazing. So maybe add a little bit more photography just than people. Maybe like events, or nature, or anything else. Unless you only focus on doing headshots and wide shots of bodies and stuff like that, then that's cool too. But other than that, man, really good job, dude. I enjoyed it, and good luck to you in the future, man.